Jeremy Lilyquist here from JeremyLilyquist.com to give you 11 ways to save money on your insurance. Number 1, advance quote or advance issue discounts. Companies will give you discounts based on the fact that you come in early and are proactive about your policy and get quotes before issue dates or issue the policy 7 days prior to when it actually starts. Number 2, use an agent. Now, I know it's a little redundant because I am an agent, but agents have a great advantage over you going out and searching for different policies. For instance, we have access to companies that you cannot buy insurance policies from. Also, don't kid yourself. Insurance companies are not giving you a discount that would normally go to an agent. A lot of times, we can sell you the exact same policy from the same company, and the dollar amount out of your pocket every month is in fact less. Also, if you do run into a problem with a claim, you have somebody to turn to. And when that agent calls that company on your behalf, they're not only representing you, they're representing their entire book or their entire client base that's based with that company. So they have a great advantage, and they've also have a relationship with. Number 3, multi-policy discounts. Now everybody knows that you can combine your home and auto and get discounts, but you can also get additional discounts if you're combining your life insurance or even a renter's policy. In fact, in some cases, those policies don't even need to be with the same company. For instance, you could have a renter's policy with company A, and company B will give you a discount on your auto insurance because you have the renter's policy. Number 4, higher deductibles. Now, the higher your deductible is, the lower your premium will be. So instead of having a $250 deductible, if you can raise that to $500 or $1,000, if you in fact can afford to take that hit, if in fact you have a claim, but you're essentially self-insuring yourself for all claims made from $0 up to your deductible, and therefore you have lower premiums. Number 5, don't overinsure. Don't use your insurance policy as a maintenance program for your vehicle and your home. The reason for this is if you have a higher deductible, your premiums will be lower and you're essentially self-insuring yourself from zero to your deductible amount. What this does is it eliminates small claims that you don't have to have. And those 3 windshield claims, those will cost you many times over than if you just paid them out of pocket when they happened and increased premiums throughout the year and future years. Number 6, driving record. Time is what solves this problem. But if you're upfront with your agent about what claims and what tickets and stuff you have currently when you're going to quote it, there are certain companies that don't go back as far as other companies and therefore can lower your premiums. Also, drive safe. Don't get tickets. Don't have claims. I know some things happen that are out of your control, but the more claims you can avoid, the better off you are in future premiums. Number 7, your credit score. It does affect your insurance. If it's less than perfect, talk to your agent because certain reasons that caused it can be talked with certain companies, and they'll kind of forego it a little bit and you can get a better premium. So work on getting a better credit score. And the reason being is companies go after people with good credit. They have very aggressive premiums, and it's very good business for them, especially with a clean driving record and higher liability limits. Number 8, safety devices. Fire alarms, smoke detectors, burglar alarms, fire extinguisher, deadbolt locks, sprinkler systems can all lead to additional discounts. If these alarms report directly to a central monitoring station, it can mean even more savings. Number 9, pets, pools, and trampolines. Dogs are the primary concern when it comes to pets, along with very exotic animals like leopards and lions. There are a list of breeds of the most common types of dogs that insurance companies want to shy away from. With pools and trampolines, some companies will not even write the home if those are present. Others will. There may be a surcharge or conditions that need to be met. For instance, pools need to be in a fenced-in enclosure. Trampolines need to be inaccessible to other people, etc. Number 10, maintenance. Keep your home maintained and up to date. 20 years and newer is kind of the the break point, plumbing, heating, electrical, roofs. Fix that broken concrete stairs. Number 11, pay ahead. Pay in full if you can. If not, possibly look at paying quarterly or semi-annually. Also, if you can do an EFT or electronic funds transfer, some companies will take that out monthly but will not charge you any additional fees if it's a monthly payment versus paying in full. Also, avoid late payments and cancellations. This is just a headache, and if you're always behind, just be on top of it. If you have trouble getting it in the mail and stuff like that, go to an EFT so it's automatically taken out and you don't have to worry about it. This is Jeremy Lillyquist from JeremyLillyquist.com. You can also find me on Facebook at Jeremy Lillyquist-Insurance Agent for updated quotes and tips.